The cabin air filter in the 2021-2023 Hyundai Elantra is located behind the passenger side glove box. To access it, first, fully open the glove box. Then, squeeze the side stops to release it, allowing the glove box to lower completely. You'll see a plastic cover that houses the filter, secured by clips or screws. In some instances, a flathead screwdriver might be needed for stubborn clips, but usually, no tools are necessary. Be sure to work in a clean environment to avoid recontaminating the system. Once you've accessed the filter housing, pull out the old filter, noting its orientation. The airflow typically goes from bottom to top. Use a vacuum to clean any debris inside the housing. Insert the new filter, matching the airflow direction from bottom to top. Reassemble the glove box in reverse order, ensuring the side stops are correctly re-engaged. Expert sources recommend replacing the filter every 12 to 15 months or 15,000 to 20,000 miles. Consider using a carbon-enhanced filter for improved odor elimination and air quality. Make sure to reset any cabin air quality sensors in your vehicle. Following these steps ensures optimal AC performance.